I think Gutter Helmet was the best investment we ever made in fixing up the house.
The best thing about Gutter Helmet is it's a one-time investment. You buy the Gutter Helmet system, they install it, and you never have to worry about your gutters for as long as you live in the house.
Also have a great organization that goes around to service any customer who has any problem with their gutter system.
I don't want to spend time cleaning the gutters, and I don't necessarily feel like I've got the right ladders and equipment to do it. It's nice just not to have to think about it, and I just don't think about it.
The one thing that really stands out that really impressed me most was the nose-forward design. All the debris, the ice and snow, the leaves, things slide off and fall on the ground.
It keeps me off the ladder. It is a great appearance, and it really truly works.